Mila, Morphle. Caregiver Kamal called. He says he needs your help at the zoo.
Okay, Daddy. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Mila, Morphle, great! I need your help. Could you and Morphle help bring this penguin, camel, and monkey to their new homes in the wild?
Sure.
Great!
We can all fly in Morphle the flying house. The desert is hot and dry. It's the perfect home for a camel. Morphle, look! It's a dragon! I think he wants to come with us. I think we can find a new home for him. Right, Morphle? Yay! Uh-oh. The South Pole is the perfect home for a penguin, but it's way too cold for a dragon. Okay, let's go to another place. The rainforest is the perfect home for a monkey. Uh-oh, but I think the rainforest might be too wet for dragons. It's not easy finding the perfect home for a dragon, but we're not giving up. Look, Morphle! It's a volcano! This is a perfect place for a dragon to live. Okay, dragon. You seem very happy in your new home. Now it's time for Morphle and me to go back home. You're a magic pet. It doesn't matter where magic pets are in the world. They won't feel at home without their human companion. But I already have a magic pet, Morphle. But I know where we can find you a great human companion. What?
At the Magic Pet Center, we'll find you a magic match in no time.